Bangaraju movie summary. When Bangaraju returns to Yamlok, N1, he is told that he has been shifted to Swarga due to the good deeds that he has done during his time back on earth. After a few months, Ramu and Sita both have a child, but Sita dies after bearing the child. Satyabhama and Ramu decide to take care of the child and name him Bangaraju, and simultaneously Ramu's cousin Ramesh also names their child Naga Lakshmi, and they decide that they will get them both married in the future. However, due to Ramu's heavy work schedule, he decides to leave his child with Satyabhama. As Bangaraju is growing up, he shares a lot of the same qualities that his grandfather had while also having conflicts with Naga Lakshmi. In one such instance where Bangaraju is found with a girl, Satyabhama sees this and has a heart attack, which he dies from. She then finds Bangaraju Sr.'s soul in Swarga flirting with the Apsaras, and Bangaraju Sr. is shocked to see her die this early. They then see Bangaraju all grown up and that he has become the same man that his grandfather was, and at the same time Naga Lakshmi is trying to become the village Sarpanch after her father. With Bangaraju and Naga Lakshmi constantly fighting, both Bangaraju Sr. and Satyabhama ask permission from Yamraj and Devraj Indra to go back to earth to solve their problems and get married. Meanwhile, Ramesh encounters a problem with the lands of a friend and Bangaraju helps him and fights off ruthless henchmen. The henchmen come back and try to kill Bangaraju at a puja in the temple, and due to this, Naga Lakshmi reacts violently and slaps Bangaraju. It is then found out that Bangaraju's cousin Adi has been planning to get Bangaraju killed because they know that Bangaraju's family has been protecting a temple that has rare stones at the bottom of it, and to get the stones, they need to kill the family. Meanwhile, Bangaraju SR tries to get Naga Lakshmi to like Bangaraju, which she does. In a turn of events, it is revealed that Adi's father Sampath was still alive and that he has been also seeking vengeance against the family for killing his father and grandfather. At the same time, Bangaraju SR successfully gets Bangaraju and Naga Lakshmi to love each other. Sampath, on the other hand, knows that Bangaraju's soul is the one that killed his father and grandfather, and that the soul is back now also for Bangaraju and tells Adi about it. With this, Sampath plans to get a ring that will be placed on Bangaraju's hand during his engagement, which will stop Bangaraju's soul from entering his body. It is then found out that Ramesh was also in on this plan all along, and that he also wants Bangaraju to be killed for the stones and the potential marriage to his daughter to Adi. Knowing all of this, Bangaraju SR and Satyabhama try various ways to stop Bangaraju from being killed, but he ultimately ends up being kidnapped by Adi and is brought to Sampath and Ramesh to be killed. When Bangaraju is on the verge of being killed, the divine snake from the earlier film falls on Ramu's car, and Bangaraju, sensing this, jumps into Ramu's body to fight Sampath, Ramesh, and Adi. Bangaraju regains consciousness, and the ring is removed from his hand, allowing Bangaraju to also enter his body. After both Bangaraju and Ramu kill Sampath and Adi, they plan to kill Ramesh also but stop due to them seeing Naga Lakshmi, and they decide not to tell her the truth. Bangaraju and Naga Lakshmi both get married, and at a puja altar, Yamraj and Devraj Indra impose a barrier that allows Bangaraju and Ramu to see and touch Bangaraju SR and Satyabhama. Bangaraju sees Satyabhama and talks about how he lived with sadness after her death, and he begs her not to leave him again. Meanwhile, Ramu says that him seeing Bangaraju SR for the first time gives him a sense of braveness, to which the senior Bangaraju replies saying that Ramu needs to be a better father to Bangaraju and that he should not neglect his son due to Ramu constantly focusing on his work. After an emotional union, both Bangaraju SR and Satyabhama's souls are then joined with Lord Shiva since their karma was completed.